Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to talk about the airbag light. Now mine is fixed right now, as you see it goes off, but for a while there it would flash and then stay on, and that's when I discovered that it was the bulb in there that was out. And as you see, I'll put a little bit of pressure on the seat, not a lot. See how that light comes on? So obviously with the bulb burned out, that light doesn't come on. That actually triggers the airbag light on your dash, believe it or not. So the fix was just changing out that bulb. I've already shot the footage through editing. This is happening after what was done before. You see, when I take my hand off, that light's going to go off. Just like that. So it takes a few seconds for it to register one way or the other. But with that fix, everything's working. And it's really simple and stupid, but the bulb in here, if it burns out, will trigger your airbag light. And I know that seems silly, but it's that simple. So I tested it out. Sure enough, this bulb was burned out. This is just a little 12-volt LED bulb, and I stuck it in there, turned it on, and no more airbag light. So I'm going to put this LED bulb on there and fix the problem. So basically this whole thing comes apart. First of all, pulling this piece, it just basically pulls out of there. You may have to wiggle it around this part right here, but once you get to it, your electrical here, you push this button and it disconnects. And then getting this piece off of here just requires a little ingenuity. It snaps into there, and if you have plastic tools, it certainly makes it easier, although you could probably get away with a screwdriver. But removing it from there, this is the indicator light here. So it comes apart right there. That's how I got to this. So you see this snaps together on there, and again, plastic tools are the key. So I'm going to just cut this light off of there and then solder on the new one. And you see I've tested, since LEDs are oftentimes polarized and they can only go one way, that is the hot, and obviously the unmarked one is the ground. So I've already tested out my LED, and you see I put the red and black to indicate the hot and ground, so that can only go on here one way or it won't work. But yes, red on here is hot, brown is ground. So pretty simple fix for, I'm sure if you took your car to the dealer and said my airbag light is on, God only knows what they would charge you and try to do, but it could be as simple as that. So when you turn your car on, if that and if your car's older, you won't even have this light here, but basically if that lights up, passenger airbag off, then you know it's not your bulb out. But if this is not lighting up when you turn your car on, then chances are it's just the bulb. It looks soldered in there. And then you just fit it back together. And you can always give it one more test. Let's see how it's working. It's also very bright with the LED, which is nice. Hope you liked the video. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.